Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Arif and everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wulandwi Putri with NIM 74. In this moment, I will explain to you about the journal with the title is Evaluation of EMG Feature Extraction for Hand Movement Recognition Based on Euclidean Distance and Standard Deviation. There are several chapters that I will discuss with content of abstract, introduction, material and method, threshold, discussion, and conclusion. The first is abstract. In EMG hand movement recognition, the first and the most important step is feature extraction. The optimal feature is important for the achievement in EMG analysis and control. In this paper, we present a statistical criterion method using the ratio between Euclidean distance and standard deviation, which can respond the distance between two scatter groups and directly address in the variation of feature in the same group as a selection tools to find the optimal EMG features. 15 features that have been widely used to classify EMG signal were used. The optimal feature is conducted to demonstrate the validity of proposed index. The major advantages of this method are simplicity of implementation and computation. Moreover, the results of the proposed method are the same trend with the classification result of the achievement classifier in the EMG recognition. From the experimental result, waveform length is the best feature comparing with the other features. Root mean square, mean absolute value, Wilson amplitude, and integrate EMG are useful augmenting feature for a more powerful features factor. For this result is demonstrate that the proposed method can be used for an EMG feature evaluation index. Next, introduction. Electromyograph signal have the property of non-stationary, nonlinear, complexity, and large variation. They lead to difficulty in analyzing EMG signal. In the EMG hand movement recognition, there are two main points, namely future selection and classifier design that should be paid more attention. In this paper, we focus on the first point. In general, the method or feature selection can be divided into two types, the measure of the classification accuracy and the evolution using statistical criterion. The first selection method has a major disadvantage that the evolution of the EMG feature depend on the classifier type, but the second selection method is not problematic in this way and tries to quantify the suitableness of the future space. In this paper, we use two fundamental methods which can evaluate distance between two scatter groups and directly address the variation of the feature in the same group. The ratio between Euclidean distance and standard deviation. The most significant advantage of the method is that it is simple to be implement and compute. For this purpose, we evaluate different kind of the feature that have been widely used in EMG hand movement recognition, and these are up to date to available technical today and used in EMG applications such as a control of EMG robot, prosthetic, or the EMG diagnostic of nervous and muscle disease. Current research works has explored the extraction of feature for EMG signal for hand movement recognition. For example, feature based on time domain or feature based on the frequency domain. Accordingly, we select 6 kinds of the frequently used hand movement to be classified. In addition to muscle position of the electroda are select based on the relation between muscle location hand and hand movement to obtain the meaningful EMG signal. Next, a material and method. Experience and data equation. Variation of the EMG signal from 6-hand movement and to muscle position are used representation data in the study. 10 datas, 10 dataset, 10 dataset were collected from each hand movement for 2 channels. Therefore, there were 120 dataset for EMG signal is subject. One pair of the muscle position was placed over the reflector carpi radialis and the other was placed over the extension carpi radialis longus. Differential amplifier were set with 60 dB gain and bandpass filter of 10 until 500 Hz bandwidth were used to remove high random frequency interface and the motion artifact at low frequency. Sampling frequency was set at 1000 Hz using a 16-bit analog to digital converter board. Methodology. Feature extraction state. 15 features from time domain and frequency domain are used in evaluation. Time domain features are measured as a function of time because of their implementation and computation simplicity. Time domain features are the most popular in the EMG hand movement recognition. All features in the time domain can be implemented in the real time. Normally, features in this group are used for detecting muscle contraction, muscle activity, and one-set detection. This is the 13 feature beside on the time domain. This is the 13 feature beside on the time domain. You can see on the screen the formula for each feature. Next, feature selection stage. The good quality in the class separability point of the view means that the result of the misclassification rate is the lowest or the highest of the separation between classes is obtained and the small value of the variation in subject experiment is researched. We introduce the statistic creation method which can evaluate distance between two scatter group and directly address the variation of the feature in the same group. The best performance of the classification is obtained when the value is high and the SD value is the low. Therefore, the rest PQ index should be large to obtain better performance. Journal compare the result of the proposed method with the classification result of the achievement classifier in the EMG recognition and use the result of the support vector machine classifier to compare. Next, this is a result and discussion. In order to demonstrate the classification performance, the scatter plots between EMG filter for the two muscles of 6 movement are used to confirm the distance between two scatter group and the variation of the feature in the same group. From the experimental result, WL is the best feature compared with the other feature. WL obtains the rest index as 11,764. And the last is conclusion. The result of the rest index are same trend with the classification result of SPM classifier. From the experiment demonstrate that rest index can be used as an EMG feature evaluation index. The combination of some useful features should be tested using the proposed index and the achievement classifier to find optimal feature factor for EMG recognition. And this is the journal reference data that I use. I think this is enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.